In this video guide, I will show with you step by step how to transfer money from Banco BPM. So friends, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. Log in with your customer access codes and password. After that, you will see your dashboard here. Just select on transfer option. As you can see here, if I make this one, select on transfer option. After choose transfer, write your beneficiary details such your IBANs and names and SWIFT codes and IBAN here. As you can see here, after that, choose your amount you want to transfer, such to 200 euros or 2000, and choose beneficiary details. And then click on transfer, confirm your transaction details. As you can see here, write your all details here, such your date, and click confirm. So friends, this is your all details here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Click authorize here, and then you will send your money. Write your PIN codes here, and then confirm your transaction. So friends, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. So this is simple steps, as I say. Choose your online banking, write your details here, and then choose a transfer. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video.